I'm here with JC Camacho, our heavyweight #1 plate holder. So, how do you feel about qualifying today?
Qualifying went pretty good. We're still working to kind of get the bike to where I want it to be. Definitely had to make some changes. We made some changes going from Q1 to Q2, improved there, but I'm definitely not getting the rear grip that I want. So that's definitely, you know, the goal that we have going into tomorrow's warm-up. But yeah, I think we're close enough. The heat's going to be a huge factor that we all have to kind of consider out here because it's extremely hot.
Awesome. So what is your strategy going into the races tomorrow?
Kind of going right back to the heat thing. I mean, the heat, the track's super demanding. I mean, for us, it's going to be hopefully get a good start, kind of run down with the lead group and kind of make our you know, passes when they count. But overall, I think the heat, the humidity is going to be the biggest factor here, and I think that's definitely going to play the biggest part into tomorrow's race.
Awesome. And how does COTA compare to the other club level tracks that we go to?
Super fast, definitely a horsepower track. It's a lot wider than what we're used to. Most of the Texas tracks are quite a bit narrower, but overall it's just it's going to be one of those tracks that's super demanding. I mean, it's got flowing sections, it's got sections that are really tight, so we're just going to have to kind of makes setting the bike up really hard. But I think we got something to put together, and I think it'll be good for tomorrow.
Awesome. And are there any like weird habits that you have to do before you get on the bike?
I'm not too superstitious, but I just like to keep the energy positive around here. So as long as we're having fun, I think that's the name of the game for me.
Awesome. Okay.